Hello there. In this particular video, we are going to look at the const keyword in JavaScript. So you will see that what it is, how to use it, and why it is super important in JavaScript. So let's dive in, right? So here's the definition that const is the keyword for declaring variables whose values cannot be reassigned after they are set. Means that it is used to declare the variables in the JavaScript, and the values that you put inside the variable, right, which you are used for declaring with const, is actually cannot be reassigned after being set, right? So constants help you to create read only variables that stay the same throughout your code. So you need to just make it learn that constants are help you to create read only variables, right? Now let me give you some of the examples. Like if I write const, so first we use the constant by using const, right? And we write the variable, let's say the name as the variable, then we put the equals to and any value that we want, right? So let's say that I'm having value 23, like this. So if I print it, like if I print it name, like this, right? And if I go to my console, you can see I'm getting 23 here. But what if, let me change it to the number, right? Not name is right now. If I want to change this number, like reassigning, then I write number equals to, normally we do this, right? Number equals to 56, like this. Now if I check it to my console, what you think I'll get an error, that is assignment to the constant variable. This is your error. Why I got this error? Because I am trying to reassign the variable which I declared with the help of const. So this is the main property of your const, that you cannot reassign the value or the variable when you assign it or declare it with the help of const, right? Okay, let me give you a few more example. Let's say I'm having const user equals to bracket name as, let's say, Ram, right? Now if I try, since you can see I have declared the user or the object with the help of const. Now if I try to reassign some variable inside the object, in that particular case, if I write user dot name equals to Bob, like this, right? So what do you think that will happen? Let me show you. So if you go and check and the name, right? So if I write console.log user dot name, so it got changed. Why it got changed? Because it is allowed when you go deep inside the object, right? But if you do it with the help of user only, like this way, like user equals to, and you'd reassign it with the help of totally declaring with the variable, like name equals to Sham, like this, right? Now you will face the error. You will face the error this time. You can see assignment to the constant variables, right? So if you want to make any changes with the const variable, you can use this method with the object. But if you try to redeclare the complete object again, in that particular case you will get an error due to the const, right? So I hope you understood the concept of const, right? And this is complete explanation which is required to understand that how variable declaration with the constant occurs. And thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.